Is it possible to wash my beard or mustache too much? Yes, you can certainly overwash your beard. At the end of the day, big main focus of washing your beard is going to remove all that dirt and excess sebum. Whenever you overwash your beard, especially with how sensitive your skin is underneath, this is really going to wash away all those natural oils that you want to preserve. So that's going to cause it to be very flaky, itchy, and just an uncomfortable experience. So how often should you wash your beard? Here at Zeus, we recommend most men wash their beards about 1 to 3 times a week. However, there are many factors that come into play when deciding how often to wash your beard. Those are going to come down to your beard type, skin sensitivity, and your environment. Starting with beard type, so if you have a longer beard, obviously you're going to collect more debris throughout the day, so you will require more frequent washes. Whereas if you have a shorter beard, you won't need to wash as frequently. If you find your skin underneath your beard to be more of the oily type, well, that's definitely going to require more frequent washes. Whereas if you notice your beard and skin tend to be more on the dry side, you'll need to wash less frequently. Fun fact is actually the location you live in plays an effect into how often you should wash your beard. So if you live in like a higher humidity area, this is going to require more frequent washes. But if it's a lower humid area, you'll notice you don't have to wash as much. Overall, how often you wash your beard totally depends on you and your beard type. However, it is important to ensure that you don't overwash your beard.